The 5200 coolant is a water-based semi-synthetic flood coolant that's made for chip removal and cleaning of your bandsaw machine. This coolant also dissipates heat in your cut by cooling the blade as well as the material to give you longer blade life. The 5200 semi-synthetic can be used in machine shops, fab shops, metallurgical labs, any type of flood coolant application. This coolant is made from ferrous and non-ferrous materials. Its unique cooling formulation is also great for exotic materials or your stainless steels. The coolant is mixed generally in a 10-to-1 ratio for milder steels or an 8-to-1 ratio for exotic materials. All of our customers appreciate the superior performance of the Q5200 semi-synthetic sawing fluid. It's formulated so it won't spoil in your machine. It's made for higher temperatures as well as colder temperatures. So if you're in need of a premium sawing fluid, simply just order and check out on Sawblade.com for a 1-gallon, 5-gallon, or 55-gallon drums. These will be shipped to you immediately to keep your saws clean, your production going, and give you longer blade life. I'm David with Sawblade.com, and we are your competitive advantage.